Congratulations are in order. Moving on, the National Olympics Committee of Kenya election was on Thursday suspended for the second time following a High Court order pending the hearing and determination of the case filed by 4 petitioners. Davis Mberia has more on the story.
A High Court order on Thursday threw the National Olympics Committee of Kenya elections into limbo, suspending the polls after 4 petitioners, Andrew Modibo, Jocelyn Lea Nyambura, Francis Paul and the Kenya Table Tennis Federation filed an application halting the process.
The matters are in court, and we know that there are portals, there are roadblocks that are being put in place just to ensure that we don't have a fair, credible election.
If you clearly look at the matters, it's politics. It's purely politics. Everyone does their mathematics, does their calculations, sees their numbers, and if the numbers do not look right, then they adjust. They adjust and slow it down by a court matter or something like that, and therefore this cannot go on endlessly.
Modibo, who is the president of the Table Tennis Federation and vying for the Secretary General seat, tore into the Sports Dispute Tribunal led by Alan Muller after the tribunal had ruled that Table Tennis Federation was not a duly registered sports organization under the Sports Act 2013 at the time of the participation in the NOCK elections.
The series of decisions rendered by the Sports Dispute Tribunal, SDT, between 10th and 18th June 2025, presided over solely by Honorable Alan Muller. The implied decisions exposes a dangerous and unprecedented pattern of legal bias, procedural manipulation, and undue suppression. The best thing that Honorable Alan can do is for him to resign from the Sports Dispute Tribunal. And what we are asking for is, can we be getting fair judgments from the Sports Dispute Tribunal?
High Court Justice Ruben Nyakundi has directed the petitioners to serve the respondents with the suit documents before June 23, 2025, when the matter will be heard.
Our prayer is that the court will listen to our appeal, because we'll make a very honest and strong appeal that it is in the best interest of sports that the process continues.
Current Secretary General Francis Mutuku and the incumbent first Vice President Shadrack Maluki are vying to succeed NOCK President Paul Tergat, who has been at the helm since 2017. The question now is not when the elections will finally happen, but whether the winner will inherit a so divided house that effective leadership will be impossible. Davis Mberia, KTN Sports.
To volleyball now, where Kenya Pipeline volleyball head coach Jeffrey Omondi believes his charges